into who moves the market. So who moves the market? The market movers aren't the traders that you see on YouTube. They're institutions, they're liquidity providers, they're banks, hedge funds, algorithms, whose job is to create two-sided flow. They move price to fill orders efficiently, not to manipulate retail traders out of spite, but out of necessity. So the key players of this game of the stock market are, first of all, the liquidity providers, or in other words, the market makers. They supply both buy and sell orders. They profit from the spread, not the direction. So first of all, the market makers, they never lose. They never lose because they're the ones providing the orders. They're the ones, they're profiting from the transaction. So they're not actually putting anything at risk. They're just providing both the buy and the sell orders, and then now they're making a profit on what's in between the buy and the sell, which is the spread. Then we have the smart money, so the institutions, in other words, they accumulate positions quietly, then engineer price moves to trigger retail liquidity. Third, we have retail traders. The retail traders provide the fuel, the stop losses, the breakout orders, and the emotional reactions to provide liquidity for the bigger players. But at the end of the day, the people that's really moving the market are the smart money, are the institutions, right? Because retail traders like ourselves, we don't have enough capital to move the market. We just don't. And the smart money, the institutions, they have billions and billions of dollars, so they manipulate price to go to a certain level. So our goal is to just want to trade with the smart money. If we can trade with these institutions, now we can end up making money. So market makers, what are some examples of market makers? We have, first of all, Citadel Securities, Goldman Sachs. These are examples of the people that's providing the liquidity for everybody else to be able to trade, profiting off the spread. Next up, we have smart money. What are some examples of smart money? We have BlackRock, one of the most powerful companies in America. Then we have Renaissance Tech, Bridgewater. These are all investment companies, big institutions that move the market, that very rarely ever lose. Then we have retail traders, people like me and you, people who trade on Robinhood, Webull, Thinkorswim, just other retail brokerages. So smart money, they can't just hit buy on $1 billion position. Why can't they? That would move the price too fast. So do you know what they do? They wait for